Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be talking about how the moon impacts Earth's tides. First, let's start with what tides are. Tides are the rise and fall of sea levels caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun on Earth's oceans. But it's primarily the moon that has the biggest impact on tides. The moon's gravitational force causes a bulge of water on the side of the Earth that faces the moon, while also causing another bulge on the opposite side of the Earth. These bulges are called high tides. At the same time, the areas between the high tides experience low tides. It's important to note that the moon doesn't just cause one high tide and one low tide per day. Instead, there are typically 2 high tides and 2 low tides each day. This is because as Earth rotates, different parts of the planet experience different gravitational pulls from the moon, resulting in these tidal cycles. But why does the moon cause tides in the first place? Well, it all comes down to gravity. The moon's gravitational force pulls on Earth's oceans, causing them to bulge towards the moon. At the same time, the rest of Earth is also being pulled towards the moon, but not as strongly as the oceans. This difference in gravitational force causes the oceans to bulge, resulting in the high and low tides we see. It's also worth noting that the distance between the moon and Earth can affect the intensity of tides. When the moon is closer to Earth, the gravitational force is stronger, resulting in larger tides. Conversely, when the moon is farther away, the gravitational force is weaker, resulting in smaller tides. So there you have it, the moon's impact on Earth's tides in a nutshell. Without the moon's gravitational pull, our planet's tides would be very different, and the ocean ecosystems that rely on them would also be affected. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today.